Hey, good morning. Welcome to Williams Motors here in Wingo, Kentucky. We just got on this lot a 2009 Mustang. Nice looking little car. We'll do a walk around on it. I've got some little caps coming on the wheel covers right there. But nice little Mustang. It is a rebuilt title. Guy hit a little deer or something, but they've got it all fixed. Cleaned up nice. Like I said, 2009. Mileage 166, 152. Automatic. Got the V6 in it.
The library. We will have paint.
So come on down here to Williams Motor, Wingo, Kentucky. Love to see you, and we'll take this car for a test ride. $49.95. I haven't got the sticker because we got a break in the window, and we're getting that repaired this Friday tomorrow. So but come on down, $49.95.